What's up? So this is a little update on, where I first started. This was like 30 minutes ago, 40 minutes ago. I am now hungry and I would love for someone to just come and bring me food. Um, but I'm gonna make something. And anyway, right? Anyway, so we talked about this up until this point. Maybe I should have sold, where when it was like 20 cents, almost 20 cents above. But it came back down, and so this is where I changed something. So I had this, oh, it's a little bit slow. I really need a new computer. That's what I'm saving up for, because this one's filled. So this level, right? Because, oh man, come on, line. Doesn't want to cooperate. Maybe if I do that. Okay, so usually when there's like a top, it'll sit back down on it when it comes back down, but even, you can even see like the top of this, okay, it sits right over here, but these start to trend below, and then I picked it up back here, and I did have a marker, like just a line right there, but you know what, I'll just put it there actually, just to make my point easier. Okay, let me lower it so it touches it exactly. Right there. Whoops. Sorry. Okay. Cursor, good. So that was the top at one point. It kind of, let me fix it a little more. There. Alright, so kind of, well, let me see this. Because I do like being precise about this stuff. It's still not the way I want it to look. Yeah. Well, okay, I'll take that. I want these lines to match up exactly. So it touches here, and then after that it just downtrends. Now it touches below here, so I don't feel confident that it's back on this level. And lo and behold, it goes down again until it finds a new bottom. So that new bottom is like here pretty much, because it touched here, it's held up by this stick. This stick stands on it. I think of it like as wooden floors. Still standing here. This is another point of standing. And then, it goes to the next level. I think of it as a video game with like Mario going through to the next level and which floor can support him bouncing around. And like I think of like this is Mario, and these are just like 5-minute pictures of where Mario is, and I have to guess the floor that he's standing on. That's how I think of it. So I see some support here. This candle is holding up like the two 12s. It does its thing. 2 18s. And then now it's found some support 225s. It's sitting right on VWAP. I actually could have got a better buy if I would have just bought in there. Now it's got that little perk going on because it's been sitting on VWAP, I think. Normally, old Liz would have been spooked out, but I tried to set my risk like a little bit in a different way today to try to sit through, and I'm not trying to make excuses, but I'm trying to be more patient and look at different angles. Like before, like if, well, okay, so my idea was VWAP, right? before, if when it takes out VWAP, I would have been like, all right, screw it, it's over, whatever. But today I tried to see like where else is there support. So, right over here, and I'm trying that for today. Um, Still have no idea where it's going. Um, but I wanted to make an update on what I did. So I think I had this line before. So yeah, I don't know. I never know what I'm doing. I'm just trying. I haven't tried in a while and I wanted to try. And I'm trying to be like patient, and because I'm very, very, very much under the PDT. Um, and I'm tired of paper trading because like it actually makes me feel dumb because like okay, cool, whatever, I could have got that much money, but it's never real. And I want to push myself to start practicing of, are my ideas correct? So even though I'm not yet recognizing patterns, what I'm trying to do is, I guess, play off of the VWAP hold. Um, yeah, I wanna get to the point where I can recognize patterns because I think those are better. And Tim even said something in the chat today, like somebody was like, "Oh, well, the stock that you're looking at is too high float," and Tim said, "But I look at patterns, and this is my pattern." So that was a really cool like nugget of information that I didn't put together before. So if I could recognize patterns better, and patterns I think live in the daily chart. So, the daily chart for this is bad sushi, so I'm probably off, but I don't know. I don't know. I'm just trying. I'm trying. And I'm making videos about my thoughts like because I'm just sitting here. And maybe somebody that has more experience can tell me if my idea is incorrect. Because sometimes I just feel like I'm sitting in the dark mentally. Like it really does help to have more experienced traders like look at your stuff, and I appreciate that. So that's it for now. I am back 5 cents up now. I'm not excited. I'm just like, okay. Down here, I was getting nervous. I'm not gonna lie. I was getting nervous. I listen to music also while I trade. Um, I don't know what I'm doing. The point of the video is I don't know what I'm doing. But if you go all the way back in my video collection, like day one, I know a little bit more than I used to. And right now, what I'm doing is I'm trying to watch all of the videos that are about dip buys. And I also noticed, like, yeah, this is like the number one percent gainer of the day, I guess. Yeah, it must be because it's 55%, so everybody's eyes are on it. But I'm also not checking in with any other stocks. Like, I like to just sit here and stare at this one. And I'm trying to get in tune with it, like just by watching it. So that's all.